Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to download and install R and RStudio on your Mac. Let's get started. First, we need to download R. Open your web browser and go to cran.r-project.org. Click on Download R and scroll down to the latest release section. If you are using an Intel-based Mac, click on the package file for the Intel version. If you are using an Apple Silicon Mac, click on the package file for the ARM64 version. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the installation instructions. Next, we need to download RStudio. Open your web browser and go to posit.co. Navigate to download RStudio and download the installation file. Once the download is complete, open the file and drag the RStudio icon to your applications folder. Now to open RStudio, go to your applications folder and double click on the RStudio icon. RStudio will launch and you should see the welcome screen. You are now ready to start coding in R, and that's it. You have successfully installed R and RStudio on your Mac. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding.